This is a CISCO modeling lab. Okay, so just I will power on. It is similar like EVENG, Before this is a paid version. Now CISCO give this free. Up to 5 device we can run. Up to 5 device we can run. We cannot run more than 5 device. This one we need to remember. Up to 5 device. So same thing, you will get the IP address like we are getting here. We will go here and we will put that IP here. We can say 192.168.45.142. Okay, and then press enter. You will get the login prompt. At the time of installation, whatever the username and password we selected, we need to use that one only. So I selected that time like admin. I taken that one. So when you log in, you will have these types of interface. You will click add. So this will be the new lab here. If you want to take the switch, because here we need to do the EtherChannel. So I will click here add a node. This is the option to add a node. This is a image, IOL image. You can take 2 switch, drag and drop here. Take one more, drag and drop here. So this is a 2 switch. If you want to change the name of the switch, select like this and give the new name. Example, I will give switch 1. And then again select this one, select this and change the name here. I will say this is a switch 2. So now I can power on this. Okay, this one we can power on. You can do the same lab like this in the packet tracer also. No problem. This lab will work in packet tracer also. If we want to do in packet tracer also, we can do that in packet tracer. Just I want to show you in this CISCO modeling lab. That's why we are doing here. Wherever you want, you can do in the GNS3, EVNG or packet tracer also, it will work. So we can do this lab in packet tracer also. This is simple. Just what we need to do, we need to bundle the interface. So what I will do here, if I need to connect the link here, I need to connect the cable. So right click, add a link. Same thing, click here, E0/0 of switch 1, we are planning to add E0/0 of switch 2. Okay, create link. So it is added here. If you want to zoom in, click this one. So it will be zoom in and you can go here. Okay, and refresh here. If anything struck here, refresh and you can move this here wherever you want to move. Okay, like this I can keep and I can connect more. One link I connected. I need to connect more link. Click here, add a link. Take from here to here. Switch 1 Ethernet 0/1 is we are planning to add to switch 2 is Ethernet 0/1. So I will click OK. So this 2 link I connected here. Okay, this 2 link I connected here. Now I need to configure the Ether channel. So if you want to write something, click here A and click anywhere. You can write here whatever you want to write. Example, I want to write here like EtherChannel Lab. Here you can click text what you want to write. EtherChannel Lab. Which one we are doing? We are doing PAGP, LACP, whatever lab you want to do. I will write PAGP. Okay, PAGP EtherChannel Lab. This lab we are doing here. Then click here. So you will have this written. And now you want to take the console of this switch. So right click. And here you can see console, click console. So you will have like this, click open console. So this is a console of this switch 1. And same thing, right click, console, open console. This is a console of the switch 2. So now we need to do the configuration. So configuration is simple like we do before in the notepad. Let me do the same thing in the notepad, then we can copy paste. So I will write here PAGP EtherChannel Lab, and here I will do like switch 1 configuration. Then enable config T host name SW1. Then I will write interface range E0/0. Okay, -1, because I want to select the multiple interface E0/0-1. So I am selecting this 2 interface. Generally when you connect the link between the switch to switch, what you will do, you will configure the trunk. So you will write here switch port trunk, because this is a layer 3 switch. In the Cisco modeling lab, whatever switch we are getting, that is a layer 3 switch. So you need to write switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1Q. Then switch port mode trunk. Okay. So after that, we need to configure the ether channel. So we are planning to use the PAGP. So what we need to write the command here. Command will be channel protocol. Which protocol you want to use? PAGP. Okay. After that, channel group. Which group? Any group you can use. I am using one. And then mode. Which mode you want to give? I want to give auto. Anything we can give. If you remember, in the PAGP, what we told, we have auto and desirable. Only these two modes are available. If you are using auto this side, you should use desirable here. If you use both side auto, then it will not work. This one we need to remember. So here we done. Okay. Now I need to do the switch to configuration. So here I can do the same thing. Here I can write switch to configuration. Enable config T, host name SW1, interface, we will select the interface range E0 by 0 -1. Okay, same interface we are using. Then switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1Q. Then switch port mode trunk. After that, we can write channel protocol PAGP. We are using the PAGP. Then channel group 1. We can give any group number, anything you can give. There 1 I use, here I can use, that is locally significant, but here should be desirable. If you give here also auto, there also auto, then it will not form the ether channel. Okay, I done this one. So this is the configuration. Let me do here and show you, because here I can put the question mark and show you what option we are getting. So first we will change the name of the switch, and then I will select the multiple interface. I will write here interface range E0 by 0. Okay, E0 by 0 -1. Then switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1Q, switch port mode trunk. Then I need to write here channel protocol. Which protocol I want to use? I want to use PAGP.